now. Live from the side of the last of the four corners, just short of the northern international border, was born a town upon the pond that all the people call the Sound. It's time to call him out, he's standing up or falling down. Saba dug inside a crate and Jake responded, he was on it. Reinterpreted the sample, canceled the opportunists on the corners, acting stupid, be plotting to take it back. The cry and the dedication on gentrification act. No imitation of way back, preservationist rap. We honor the past, mainly to move it toward the future. From fresh tracks to Emerald Street, it's the foundation. And Mr. Anthony Ray paved the way and now we chase. But they didn't have the patience to place it as a priority. Herbs and haters never have served the great majority. Words will never capture the glory of our stories. Performing, but never forgetting who came before me in the north, west, north, west, north, west, north, west.
I'm from the city where it rains at, where we bring the pain at. Put you lame cats where the lanes at. We fly, we fresh, we hood. And in the northwest, Seattle jugs. I'm good with that nonsense.